Today we're gonna do a review of the Nike Hypervenom Phelon IC. This is size 45. I bought this on the retail store. Yes, I am an Indonesian, so I'm sorry if there is a misspoken word. So we just start on the model. At the Hypervenom Phelon IC, this is the colorway of the black model or the stealth pack, which you'll get your Nike swoosh on the red, your skull on the black, your socket, your Nike swoosh on the some kind of red or orange, yeah, your inside sole on black, your Hypervenom on red, and your Nike swoosh on black. So the upper is made of Nike skin. It's different from the Nike material, which is made of Nike synthetic Tajin synthetic leather, or Tajin synthetic leather, or synthetic leather. Okay. So, what are the pros and cons? So the pro and cons are: the pro is it fits much better than the Total 90, and you got a very good model, because many of people choosing this colorway because it looks nice. So the console, if you have a white fit, you'll get a blister on the heel, and some people get it on the outside foot. I only get it on the heel. So, and if you from a Nike material Victory, as you can see here, you use to the Nike Hypervenom Phelon IC, you'll get on the midsole here, you get a very big difference, and it could make some nasty pain. You can see here that the sole is very different. You can see here the midsole is very different, so you can get a nasty pain here on the midsole. So what is the difference of the Nike material and the Nike Hypervenom Phelon IC? Well, it looked the same, you know. It looked the same with this. So what is the difference? The difference is, it looks like a material, but you get your swoosh backwards, and you got the same fit, the same exact fit you'll get on these two Nike shoes. And the cons from these two shoes are that your laces is very short, and if you have a white foot, you might get some blister on the Hypervenom Phelon. But on the Nike material, I didn't get any blister on the first, second, or yeah, maybe. Okay, so enough of the talking. Is it worth the money? Because many people choose the Nike material than the Hypervenom, because they state that the Hypervenom is more expensive than the material. The Hypervenom is more, they say the model is not quite good than the Nike material, but this is the real story. The Nike Hypervenom is worth the money because you got the same exact fit on the Nike material. It get a nice looking shoe, and you got an attacking upper, which is the Nike skin, and that makes the Nike Hypervenom worth the money. So on the next video, I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Nike Mercurial Vapor 9, which is this colorway, And I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Nike Mercurial Vapor 9, uh, the sixth, the fifth series of the CR collection. So don't forget to watch the video and do not miss it. And give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and share it. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Today we're gonna do a review of the Nike Hypervenom IC. Check it out.
Now, Jason Darmadi is doing some short pass with my friend Chris. Yeah, here's a Hypervenom Phelon IC, so it's not soccer or turf. So a long pass. It's a long pass, and it fits for your feet. That is the fact that the
Kali ini kita akan melakukan review sepatu Hypervenom 7.
here's some playtest. Jason Darmadi. Ooh, that's a goal. What a shot. Second attempt. Ooh, that's a goal. Oh, nice. Oh, what a nice keeper.
The Hypervenom used the Nike skin, which is used on the LCO final. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, give a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.